So good evening, Gladys.
Good evening, Raymond.
Welcome to Impact Weekend's anniversary celebration. So to start our program, may we call on Mr. Martin Eloy Bando, the President of Impact, for his welcome remarks.
Advisor, Impact members, and guests. Welcome sa aming 20th anniversary and alumni homecoming. Celebrate natin ang ating anniversary at sama-sama balikan ang nakaraan upang pagtibayan ang ating future na mga gagawin para sa organization, lalo-lalo na sa ating community. Sana, after this affair, maging matibay ulit yung relationship natin sa isa't isa to work for the good of our community. So, yun lang po. Sana ma-enjoy natin ang ganito. Ito lang, para madali at mabilis, tsaka para makikamadali naman. Kayo ng mga alumni, isa-isa. Ano na lang, isa-isang magpakilala na lang mga members starting from Kuya Art.
Akala ko.
Para makikita kayo ba?
Good evening po. I'm Arjan Alan G. Pascual, 21 years old, from Bacalaureate of Agriculture, Animal Science, at Regent Allies.
Salamat, brother. Ate Heidi.
Bakit sinasabi mo?
Beauty pageant.
Good morning. Good evening po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Heidi Kibel. From College of Education. Painted Circle.
Sino lang next? Ayun.
Kapatid ni Ruby. Sabi ko nga sa niya, nakita ko naman.
Saan magpapakilala mo?
Ako po si Aileen Sebastian from the College of Agriculture, Animal Science, Treasurer. Batch name po is Majesty.
Next na po si Darwin.
Good evening po sa lahat. Ako po si Darwin Manugani, Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, Major in Crop Science, 20 years old. Hello po yung
Next na po si Marty. Order kasi po sa College of Engineering po. Salamat po. Engineering mo siya. Ako ay His Majesty.
ayaw mo maliwanag.
So good evening, mga kapatid si Raymond Gula from Jubilee Oasis. Ako po Oliver. So bali po, ako po hawak ngayon na balik-balikan at Community Service Award. So sana po sa mga alumni, magtulungan po tayo para po successful yung mga kaibigan natin.
Ikaw na lang president.
Good evening po ulit. I'm Gladys May Zamora, AD Development Communication, Juvenile Oasis. Ako po, next February, sa February po na dati, hawakan ko po yung MBF. Kaya, asa po, hindi po ako ng tulong sa mga alumni na pumunta dito for that event. Thank you po.
Magkano ba? Name your branch.
Okay, thank you for your award. And at this moment, let's move to, may we go on Dr. Leandro Doliete, the Dean of the College of Education, for our introduction for alumni, reviewing acquaintances, and for the review of Impact from 1987 to 2007.
Before we review our organization for the past 20 years, I would like to call on our alumni who are around to introduce themselves, citing specifically your positions and activities you have handled, just to remember some things. Let's start with Dr. Abigail Pare. Hello po.
batch, batch 93 dynamic voyagers. Tatlo po kami noon, pero yung dalawa hindi ko na po alam, lumubog na po din yata. Ako po na lumubog sandali, panandalian dahil nag-aral ako noon. Pero umagalit po. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Dr. Barry has been supportive alumni of our organization. She's been very visible since she finished her Doctor of Medicine. A while ago, she donated 5,000 pesos. Let's give her that. Next of all, he is one of the former presidents also, Ms. Karen Pineda.
Hello, good evening. Ako po si Carl Anthony Pineda. From Batch the Discovery. So, siyam kami. Hindi ko alam kung nasa na yung walo. So, no communications at all. So, yun lang.
Thank you very much, sister. She's working in Manila. In Manila, in Mandaluyong. Next, we have that in the National Center for Mental Health. Next, we have the former Vice President for Internal Affairs. He was our guest speaker during our induction during the SO Recognition and Awards Night, Mr. A. Sionimo.
Good evening, brothers and sisters. I'm A. Sionimo from the batch Zeus Falcon 1999. So, 8 years. Actually, apat kami sa batch. Ang visible na lang so far, ako na lang. Although we still have communication, saka yung isang batch kasi na sinundan ko was very close sa akin. Saka yan, sila Marilyn, sila Mario. May communication pa kami actually, nag-usap-usap kami na darating. Unfortunately, kami lang ni Marilyn nakarating. Sabi ko lang, sana magdagdag po ulit ng resident member para at least pag may mga ganitong occasion, marami tayo mas masaya. Parang continually camaraderie sa organization. Happy birthday sa kapitán.
Thank you very much. Please now we call the former treasurer of the organization, Mr. Marlon Arroyo.
Good evening po, brother and sis. Ako nga pala si Marlon Arroyo, tumatakbo bilang. Pagod po kasi ako sa biyahe, kaya good evening na lang po, and God bless. Bali, from chaotic nights po, wala pa po yung mga batchmate ko, parang on the way pa sila. Once again, God bless po.
Thank you, Marlon. Marlon was a former teacher. He's working now in one of Catalyst in Laguna.